I used to think speed was everything. Faster edits, quicker turnarounds, more data, more results. Then I realized something simple. AI thinks fast. Humans think deep. Speed is a superpower. In a lab at 2 a.m., I watch an algorithm scan 1,000 medical images in seconds, flagging patterns a tired human eye might miss. But it's the doctor who walks in, sits beside a patient.
Here's what this means. Here's what we'll do.
That moment isn't about speed. It's about meaning. In a design studio, an architect types a prompt. The screen blooms with 100 possible skylines, each one generated in a heartbeat. But it's the human who steps back, hears the city's pulse, and chooses the one that will feel like home for decades. On a film set, AI pre-visualizes shots, maps light, syncs sound. It's incredible. But it's the filmmaker who decides when silence says more than dialogue. It's the editor who lingers on a glance for one extra beat because that's where the truth lives. Picture a heart next to a circuit board. Steel and signal, pulse and purpose. The magic is not one replacing the other. It's the handshake. In a disaster zone, drones feed live maps to responders. AI charts the safest route. A firefighter chooses to go anyway because someone's kid is still inside. That's depth. That's human. AI brings speed and scale, the power to search, sort, simulate. I bring questions, values, taste, and the courage to be wrong. Together we build, test, break, learn, and build again. So I won't fear the machine. I'll guide it. I'll put my hands on the robot's shoulders.
Here's where we're going.
Because fast is how we get there. Deep is why it matters. AI thinks fast. Humans think deep. When we collaborate, we don't just make things quicker, we make them worth making. Let's push the limits of speed and protect the soul of depth. That's how innovation becomes human. That's how the future becomes ours.